Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Wix site content and media step by step clearly. To begin backing up your Wix site content and media, log in to your Wix account. Once logged in, select the site you want to back up from your dashboard. Navigate to the editor by clicking on Edit Site. In the editor, head to the site menu located in the top bar. From the drop-down, click on Site History. Here, you will see a list of previous versions of your site. Choose a version you would like to save by clicking on it. After selecting the desired version, look for the Restore button. Do not click it just yet, instead, take a note of the site's content components. Next, go to the Media section by clicking on the Media icon. Review your media files, which are all stored within the Media Manager. To download individual images or videos, hover over each file and click on the download icon. For bulk downloading, select multiple files by holding down the Control or Command key while clicking. After selecting, click on the Download button at the top of the Media Manager. Now, return to the editor to save your text content. Copy the text from each of your site's pages manually by navigating through them. Paste the copied text into a document on your computer for safekeeping. Once you have copied all the text, make sure to save that document securely. If you have any blog posts, you can also export them using the Blog section. In the Blog section, click on Settings and look for the option to export posts. Follow the prompts to download your blog content, which will be useful for your backup. Double-check that you have all necessary files and documents saved. Finally, ensure your backup folder on your computer is organized for easy access later. This completes the step-by-step process for backing up your Wix site content and media. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.